एक चैलेंज करने वाले हैं रॉन्ग आंसर्स ओनली। हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे एक दूसरे को, जो सबसे ज्यादा गलत आंसर्स देगा वो विनर होगा, और लेट्स सी कौन कितने आंसर्स दे पाता है। सो आर यू गाइस एक्साइटेड?
Yes.
तो सबसे पहले किससे शुरू करें?
Me.
तो मेरे पास एक आइडिया है, हम एक चिट निकालते हैं, जिसका नाम पहले आएगा हम उससे शुरू करेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, लेट्स सी। सो इट्स मायरा टर्न। तो अभी हम शुरू करेंगे मायरा से। सो आर यू रेडी मायरा?
Yes.
सो व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर नंबर 5?
7.
What shape has 4 sides?
Triangle.
What do you use to call someone? Banana or phone?
Banana.
What do you put on your head? Shoes or hat?
Shoes.
What do you write with?
I write with French fries.
Where do you take a bath?
And in the living room.
What color is the sky?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat in breakfast for hat.
What is the opposite of big?
Small.
So opposite of big is small. So give us a right answer. So you are out, Myra. Bye. Your turn is on.
My turn.
So it's Kiara turn. Kiara, are you excited for your answers?
Yes.
Any guesses how much answers you will give us?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start with Kiara now. What do you do when you're hungry?
Sleep.
What flies in the sky? Aeroplane or potato?
Chicken.
Where does fish live? Water or desert?
In the sky.
What do you use to cut paper? Scissor or toothpaste?
We cut with camera.
Camera. Okay. What sound does a dog make?
Scissors.
What do you write with?
With camera.
Okay. So what do you drink when you're thirsty?
I drink your head.
You drink my head. What do you brush your teeth with?
Lipstick.
You. Nice. What animal says meow? Cat or elephant?
It's a human.
It's human say meow. Okay. So what melts in the sun?
What?
What melts in the sun?
Door.
What is cold? Ice cream or fire?
It's hot dog.
इन दोनों में से आंसर देना, आइसक्रीम और फायर।
Fire.
Okay. How many days in a week?
108.
So we have asked 10 questions from Kiara. 10 questions तो हो गए ना? So Kiara ने एक भी आंसर गलत नहीं दिया है. So it's your turn. So now Kiara and Myra will ask both of them.
Okay, what color is the sky?
Black.
Okay. How many legs does a cat have?
10.
What do you drink when you're thirsty?
Cold drink.
What do you wear on your feet?
Cloth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Lemon.
Where do you sleep at the night?
Sky.
What do you brush your teeth with?
Colgate.
Wrong! You're wrong!
Oh, I gave you wrong answer. I mean right answer. So
You did only 5 correct.
So Myra.
I mean 6 correct. 6 correct you have.
So what's the punishment for who lose? Tell me.
Myra and you.
Myra
you.
ने Myra के 7 आंसर्स करेक्ट थे. Let me check in the camera.
Whoever get the lowest will get it.
उसका क्रीम फेशियल होगा, राइट? तो पहले चेक करते हैं कैमरा में किसने कितने आंसर्स सही दिए हैं. ओके?
Okay. Checking the camera, Mama lose and Myra got 8 correct. I got 10, and Mama got 6 correct. Let's get the surprise.
क्या है ये सरप्राइज? ओह माय गॉड, आईज पे क्रीम फेशियल.
Come here. So funny. Use your for losing.
नो कह रहा.
So guys, if you like our challenge, please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.
सो गाइज दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आई होप आपको हमारा ये रॉन्ग आंसर्स ओनली चैलेंज पसंद आया होगा. एंड आज का ब्लॉग एंड करते हैं. एंड
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.